Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our maths lecture number 27, and we are doing chapter number 2. Question number 1 is, the product of two positive consecutive numbers is 182. Find the numbers. First of all, we must know what are consecutive numbers. Consecutive number means if one number is 2, then other number is 3. Means without any gap. Let the first number is x. And if the first number is x, then the second consecutive number will be x plus 1. According to the statement of the question, product of two positive consecutive numbers. Product means the numbers are multiplying with each other. So x into x plus 1 is equal to 182. When we will multiply x with the bracket x square plus x, and 182 will become in left hand side, the equation will become x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. To solve this equation, we will do the midterm breaking. 14 13s are is 182, and the difference of 14 and 13 is 1. So the factorization will be x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. We will take x common, so x plus 14 will be in bracket, and 13 is common in these two values, so minus 13 is here, and x plus 14 will be in the bracket. X plus 14 is common, and x minus 13 will be written here. As the product of two values is equal to 0, so either of the value is equal to 0. X minus 13 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 13. X plus 14 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 14. But it is written in the question, it is mentioned that it is a positive number. So x is equal to minus 14 will be rejected, and it's not possible. First number is x is equal to 13, and second number was x plus 1. So 13 plus 1 is 14. So our two required numbers are 13 and 14. Now we'll do question number 3 of the same exercise. Statement of the question is, the sum of 5 times a number. 5 times a number means if the number is x, 5 times a number means it is 5x, and the square of the number. Square of the number means if the number is x, then square of the number is x square, is 204. Find the number. So if the required number is x, according to question, 5x, 5 times a number is 5x, square of the number is x square, and it is mentioned the sum of these two values. So 5x plus x square is equal to 204. X square plus 5x minus 204 is equal to 0. I have written this equation in standard form. Now we have to solve this equation. So we will do the midterm breaking. We have to find two numbers whose product is 204 and sum or difference is 5. The numbers are 17 and 12. 17 12s are minus 204, as 17 is positive and 12 is negative, and their difference is 5x. So x will be common from these two values. X plus 17 will be within the bracket, minus 12 is common, and x plus 17 will be written in bracket. So after taking common, we will have x minus 12 and x plus 17. Their product is equal to 0. If the product of two values is equal to 0, then either of the value will be equal to 0. X minus 12 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 12, and x plus 17 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 17. And it is not mentioned in the question that it is a positive number. So both of the values will be our answer. So our required numbers are 12 and minus 17. This is the end of the question. Next question is question number 8 of the same exercise. Statement of the question is, find the integers whose sum is 9. Integers means the number can be positive or negative, whose sum is 9 and the difference of their squares is also 9. Let the first number is x and the second number is y. The difference between the questions which we have already done and in this question is that in previous two questions we have taken only one variable, that was x, but here we have to take two variables, x and y. According to the question, the sum is 9 means x plus y is equal to 9. This is our question, equation number 1. And the difference of their squares, x square and y square, are the squares of these two numbers, and their difference means x square minus y square is also 9. Now we have two equations, and it's very easy to solve these two equations, as we have done complete exercise 2.7 on such type of equations. From equation number 1, x is equal to 9 minus y, we will substitute the value of x in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is x square minus y square is equal to 9. We will write 9 minus y whole square. Now we will open this square with formula 81 plus y square minus 18y, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Formula is applied here. Minus y square is equal to 9. Now y square and minus y square will be cancelled, and 81 minus 9 is equal to 18y, and 72 is equal to 18y. 18 will be divided with 72 and we will get y is equal to 4. Now we have a value of y which is equal to 4, and we have to find the value of x. We will put the value y is equal to 4 in first equation, which was x plus y is equal to 9. X plus 4 is equal to 9 as y is equal to 4, so x is equal to 5. We have two values, y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 5. So two required numbers are 5 and 4. This is the answer of the question and end of the lecture. Thank you very much.